Hey everybody, I'm Kate Dillon from CrateInsider.com, and today I want to talk to you about what's new for June 2023. As you see, I have an array of helmets sitting here on the table, and one of our promotions for June of 2023 is that you purchase any helmet, then you're going to get a free Crate Insider hat thrown in that same box, because once you pull off your helmet and you got helmet head, you need to cover it up with something, and we got you covered. And that is my special guest today. This is Chad. He is one of our helpers here at CrateInsider.com. He's our model. And one thing that he's modeling right here is our Carbon X underwear. And this is the fire resistant underwear to give you that, a little bit of extra time. You find yourself in a fire. These are perfect as a base layer to wear underneath your fire suit. It's a two-piece. You've got the top right here, and then you've got the bottoms, and we even have socks as well. So definitely check those out. That's our Carbon X fire retardant underwear. But back to helmets. We have a couple of different things to show you here. So we do have our Bell helmets. This one happens to be the RS7 in matte black, and that matte black is, a great looking helmet for sure. And these start at $899.95 is what these run. Now, something we haven't talked about in any of our videos, but that is really exciting, is this is a collaboration. These helmets here are Zamp helmets, but then they've been modified by Velocita. So Velocita, they have made these race ready, which means that these helmets right here have speakers that are right inside of those helmets. And you can see right here on the side that it has a spot for your receiver. Now this receiver that it specifically works with is the Receiver Fusions, and we do have these on the shelf. These Receiver Fusions run $99.95, and as you can see, we have both a matte carbon as well as a gloss carbon in these Zamp helmets, and really a fantastic deal. They're running $6.99, and we've got a medium in one and a large in the other sitting on our shelf, looking for a new place to be. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on is a couple of things that have been hard to get, and now we have them back in stock, and that is our Comp Cams fuel pump rods. These have been incredibly difficult to get for the last couple of years, but we were just able to get some supplies. So now if you're looking for a fuel pump rod for your 602 or your 604, we have both the steel tip and the bronze tip in stock and ready to ship out the door for you. And these guys run $23.95 for the steel tip for the 602s and $19.95 for the bronze tip for the 604s. Next up on our list is another little promo we're doing is our winter's gears. We have really expanded our selection of gears that we keep on the shelf, and we want to do a little special promo, and with every set of gears that you buy in the month of June, we're going to send you one of our boxes, our gear boxes. And these are coming in black and white, and we'll see if we can give you that selection on there. Otherwise, you can just specify in the notes whether you like a black case or a white case, and we'll send that out with it. Something else too is pit bikes. I am in love with my pit bike. I know I look ridiculous, but it is one of the favorite things that I have in my life. And I was able to buy one a few years ago. I was at ZMAX Dragway. I ran into Burromax. I bought a pit bike for myself, fell in love with it so much that I had to start selling them as a dealer. And so they've we get them in and we sell them out, and they kind of go ebb and flow. But right now we have they're called the TT350, and they are I believe they're in a matte carbon finish. It's not really carbon, it just looks like it. But we've got those in stock. So if you're looking for a great way to have some transportation at the track, or even just, going down the sidewalk, they're really great for that. Very easy to ride. You just plug them into the wall. It's a lithium battery, and so it's really easy to maintain. You never have to worry about having like gas or oil spilling over. I used to carry this in my car, and it would even fit into my hatchback. So it's a great small size, and still, really gets you that a little bit of transportation that makes it easier for you at the track. So those are in stock too. Another thing we have in stock, this is for our folks who are a little more local to us. This is an item that I can't ship, but it's our dirt car lift. So we have a few that are fully assembled, which means that I can't really ship them because they don't really fit on a pallet the way we would want. So if you are semi-local or would want to pick one up, you can see that I've got a few of them right here, and they are ready to be picked up. And this is our X Series lift. It's perfect for late models or any of your cars with a raised front rail, and we've got these right here in stock, and we can help you out with that. And I think that, oh, bell housings. We got bell housings back in stock. And wanted to let you know we now sell them. We've got a bell housing. We also started carrying the shims around here. We go. We started carrying the shims, so if you need shims for your bell housing, and then we're using the Winners bell housings. If you're running things off the back, we're using the Burt flywheel with the HTT drive, and that'll help if you're running any tandem pumps or you're running, you know, power steering off the back of your motor. If you're doing any of that, that flywheel, that whole combination works really well together, and we've got all of those items back in stock and ready to ship out. So I think that's about all I've got for June of 2023. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and hit that subscribe button if you're over on YouTube. Feel free to drop in a comment if you have, you know, any comments about anything we've shown or something you'd like to see us carry at Crate Insider. And I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another video.